So in this video, let's talk about solving quadratic equation using completing the square. So let's start with this example. So first you have x squared plus 10x plus 21 equals 0. Now what I'm going to do here, if you're using the completing the square method, you have x squared plus 10x. I will move the third term on the other side of the equation, so that would be negative 21. And then I will add a third term for this. So I will add here a third term. Same here on this other side of the equation. So the other term that we're going to add is half of the second term squared. So that means 10 divided by 2 squared. So 10 divided by 2 is, you have 5. Okay, so that would be 5 squared. I added 5 squared here, so I will add 5 squared here as well. And then notice that this is a perfect square trinomial. So you have x squared plus 10x plus 25, right? And factoring this, we know that the factor of perfect square trinomial is x. So the square root of your first term plus square root of your last term. So that would be plus 5 squared. So this is the factor of that trinomial. X plus 5 times x plus 5, right? That's equal to negative 21 plus 25. So you have x plus 5 is equal to positive 4. Now, square root of both sides. Then you have here x plus 5 is equal to positive negative 2. Therefore, you're going to have two values of x here. So first, x sub 1 would be, let's try positive 2. So positive 2 minus 5. So that would be negative 3. And x sub 2 is negative 2 minus 5. So that would be negative 7. So the solution set for this quadratic equation is negative 3 and negative 7. So that's our answer. So for the second example, you have 2x squared plus 8x minus 42. Now this time, the coefficient of your x squared is not equal to 1. So what I'm going to do here is divide these terms by 2 so that we will have x squared. 2x squared divided by 2 is x squared. Now we have the coefficient of x squared as 1 plus 4x. Okay, 42 divided by 2, then you have 21. Minus 21 equals 0. Then same process, I will transpose the third term on the other side of the equation, so that becomes positive 21. And then I will add another term here, so that would be 4 divided by 2 squared. So 4 divided by 2 squared, so that would be 2 squared, and then plus 2 squared as well on the other side of the equation. Now factoring this trinomial, that would be x plus 2 squared. And then this one, that would be 25. And then square root of both sides, you will have positive negative 5, and you have x plus 2 here. Now you have two possible values for x here. You have 5, positive 5 minus 2, so that is positive 3. And another possible value for x would be negative 5 minus 2. So that would be negative 7. So the solution set for this equation would be 3 and negative 7.